So what he's saying is the mind is all there is. All there is a universal intelligence. This is it. Just the intelligence. And you can call it the spirit. Just that intelligence. That's all that exists. That's the only reality. And then the universe itself is mental. It's inside of the divine mind. It's a mental creation created from the mental power of the divine mind. That's it. And then it's the energy of the divine mind that creates the perception of the universe. You don't see the energy. You don't see the spirit. All you see is the perception created. This, that, this. Okay? You see the perception. The reality is the mind and its energy. And let me tell you the truth. The truth is that there is no spoon. As they say in the Matrix, do not try and bend the spoon. That's impossible. It's impossible to bend the spoon because there is no spoon. You understand? There's nothing but the spirit. And the spirit is the intelligence over its own energy and being able to command the perception. Okay? So there is no physical world. There's a mental world. And the intelligence within your body, your perceptive being, your perceptive body, the being within should command the perception, not by trying to bend the spoon or mess with anything physical, because there is nothing physical.